Next, rules for determining number of significant figures. Rules for determining number of significant figures. Okay. First point, all non-zero digits are significant. Okay. All non-zero digits are significant. Example. Take one example. 0.48. Then how many significant figures? Then 576. So this contains two significant figures. All non-zero digits are significant. Here three significant figures. This is the first point. Second one, zeros to the left of the first non-zero digit are all the zeros just left to the first non-zero digits are not significant. Okay. Zeros to the left of the first non-zero digit is not significant. Okay. Take one example. 0.03 or 0.03. What about the answer? Here 0 left to the non-zero digit is not significant. So that means only one significant digit. Okay, only one significant figure. Another example, 0.0052. Two significant figures. Now the third point, zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. Zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. Take one example, 2.003. What will be the significant figure? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. Okay. Next, fourth point. If the number ends in zeros and these zeros are to the right of the decimal point, these zeros are significant. Okay. That is, if number ends with zeros and these zeros are at the right of the decimal point, right of the decimal point are significant. Take one example. 2.0. How many significant figures? 1, 2, 2. That is 0 after the decimal point. It's a significant number. Another example, 0.0200. It contains 1, 2, 3 significant figures. Now, fifth one. An exact number contains infinite number of significant figures. Exact number contains infinite number of significant figures. Take one example, 2. 2 is an exact number. Okay, this can be written like this, 0.0. So it contains how many two significant figures. It can also write like this 2.00. So it contains three significant figures. So 2.000 etc. That means an exact number contains infinite number of significant figures. Okay. Next, addition and subtraction of significant figures. Both are having the same rule. Addition and subtraction of significant figures. How can we do the addition and subtraction? Take one example, 12.11 plus 15.0, 2.024. How can we add this? Okay, first we have to add this, then we will get the value 4, 3, 1, 9, 2. This will be the answer. How can we write the result? That is, when addition or subtraction, we have report to the one which has least significant figure. One which has least significant figure. So, how can we report the value? Here, this one is having 4 significant figure. This is having 3. This is having 4. So, we have to take the least significant one which is having least significant figure. So, it contains 3. So, the result will be what? 29.1. Okay. So, the result will have the 3 significant figures, that is one which is having least significant figure. Okay. Next, multiplication and division of significant figures. Multiplication and division. Take one example. 2.5 into 1.25. Answer is 3.125. In this case, if the result will be reported with the one which is having least significant figures. Similarly, so in this case, or which is having few significant figures, the least one, here it is this, here it is 3 and here it is 2. So the result will have the significant figures 2. So answer is 3.1. Okay, so we have to report with few significant figures. Okay, we can study about the rounding of numbers. How can we rounding off? How can we rounding off? If the digit removed, first case, digit removed is greater than 5. We have to add 1. Okay, example 1.386. How can we write this? The third digit is having number 6. This is 6, which is greater than 5. That means we have to write 3, 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. Now, second case, digit removed is less than 5. Is less than 5. Then no change. Okay. No change. Take another example. 1.3 or 1.334. How can we write this? The third digit is less than 5. So, we have to write as such. Okay, like this. Now, what will happen if the digit removed is equal to 5? Digit removed is equal to 5. Two cases. If the number is odd, add 1. Okay. If the number is even, no change. Take one example. 6.35 equal to 5. So what we have to do? 6 plus 4. This is 3 is an odd number. Similarly, 6.25. 2 is an even number. Okay. The digit removed is an even number. This 5 is to be removed. This is equal to 5. So this number is an even number. So we have to write as such like this. Okay.